In today's video, I'm going to show you this Getir bike. So to ride this bike is very easy. Ignition on. Here's you have speedo. Gear number 3, which you can change from here. 1 is very slow. 2 is going up to 20 miles, and 3 will go up to 30 miles. You've got here time, and you've got the temperature, battery, how much battery left, mileage, and so on. Mount your phone. There you go. Left, right, lights at the front, horn is here, and you got another horn here. Kill switch, press it and the bike will not go anywhere. Mirrors, of course, and you've got small shield at the front for charging. Hang something here also by the remote. There we go. And turn off, and you can do it manually also. There we go. The boot, there we go. So this is where we place our items, nice and secure, and close. The battery, open up here, and this is where we place the batteries. You can check how much juice you have left. Cable here. This is the fuse here. We got space for 2 batteries, but one battery is enough because this weighs like 20 kilos. So it's roughly 4 or 5 hours of work is enough. Then we will replace it. Footrest in here, single stand, and the main one here. So let me just quickly show you how to ride this motorbike. So first of all, the ignition has to be on, and use throttle, which is here. This is all you need. So throttle, bike goes. No throttle, the bike will not go nowhere. Guys, let me know if this video has helped you. Subscribe, hit the like button. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.